Welcome to GuruShots. Let's take a look around. GuruShots turns your photography into a fun and motivating game. It's an amazingly fun way to show off your photos, get massive exposure, and receive instant feedback. Easily join our themed photo challenges. Just upload your photos and let the game begin. Start off as a newbie, receive votes, collect points, and gain achievements as you work your way up the ranks towards becoming a guru. Our unique crowd-based voting system is designed to rapidly tell you which of your photos are most popular and how they rank compared to others, while ensuring that all photos get an equal opportunity to receive votes from millions of photography fans around the world. Vote on photos you like. The more you vote, the more exposure your own photos will get. Each challenge you join is a new opportunity to receive meaningful recognition and win awards, with amazing prizes from cool gift cards to awesome photography gear. The more challenges you join, the faster you can climb the ranks and gain status and influence in the community. Challenge yourself to improve. Each challenge has 5 levels. Move up from one level to the next until you reach the highest level. The higher your level when a challenge ends, the more GuruShot points you earn. The GS points help you move up the ranks and give your vote more power. Not sure which photo will perform better? Test your shots by swapping between different photos in the same challenge to see which one works best. Once you find the perfect photo, give it a boost for some extra exposure. But remember, the boost button is only open for a limited time window during the challenge. Miss the window or want to unlock a boost sooner? Use a key. Take a day off voting. The autofill feature automatically fills your exposure bonus in all the challenges in which you're participating. Ready for more action? Try our speed challenges. They are fast, dynamic, and exciting. And fame might just be around the corner. Join our exhibition challenges to get your work exhibited in upscale galleries and international art fairs around the world. Stay connected anywhere, anytime with GuruShots website, Android, or iPhone apps. Ready to take your photography to the next level? GuruShots, the world's greatest photography game.